390 species in genus Prunus. A deep dive into Prunus, more than just pretty flowers. I've always been fascinated by the natural world, especially the incredible diversity of plants. One genus that has always caught my eye is Prunus. This genus is a member of the Rosaceae family, and it includes a wide variety of trees and shrubs that are known for their beautiful blossoms and delicious fruits. As an amateur botanist, I'm excited to share my knowledge and enthusiasm for this fascinating group of plants. What is Prunus? Prunus is a genus of over 390 species, and it is native to the Northern Hemisphere. Many of the species are cultivated for their fruit, including some of my personal favorites like cherries, plums, peaches, nectarines, apricots, and almonds. It's amazing to think that such a diverse range of fruits comes from the same genus. But Prunus isn't just about the fruit. Many species are also grown for their ornamental value. In the spring, Prunus trees put on a spectacular show of blossoms in shades of white, pink, and red. These flowering trees are a common sight in parks and gardens, and they always bring a smile to my face. A closer look at Prunus species. The Prunus genus is incredibly diverse, and it can be divided into several subgenera. Prunus. This subgenus includes plums and apricots. Cerasus. This subgenus includes cherries. Laurocerasus. This subgenus includes cherry laurels, which are evergreen shrubs. Patus. This subgenus includes bird cherries, which have long clusters of white flowers. Amygdalus. This subgenus includes almonds, which are known for their edible seeds. See full list Prunus species at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Prunus. Prunus species play an important role in both the natural world and human society. In the wild, they provide food and habitat for a variety of animals. For humans, they are a source of food, medicine, and beauty. The fruit of many Prunus species is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Almonds, for example, are a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Cherries are a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Prunus species have also been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The bark of the blackthorn, for example, has been used to treat diarrhea and dysentery. The leaves of the cherry laurel have been used to treat coughs and colds. And of course, Prunus species are also valued for their beauty. The flowering trees are a popular choice for landscaping, and the fruit trees add a touch of elegance to any garden. My personal connection to Prunus. I have a special fondness for Prunus trees. Growing up, we had a beautiful cherry tree in our backyard. Every spring, I would eagerly await the appearance of its delicate blossoms. The tree was a source of joy and wonder for me, and it sparked my interest in the natural world. Even today, I still find myself drawn to Prunus trees. I love to visit botanical gardens and arboretums to see the different species in bloom. And I always make sure to have a few Prunus trees in my own garden. I believe that Prunus trees are a symbol of hope and renewal. Their beautiful blossoms remind us that even after a long winter, spring will always return. And their delicious fruits are a reminder of the bounty of nature. I encourage everyone to take some time to appreciate the beauty and diversity of Prunus trees. They are a true gift to the world.